Hello students, today we will discuss some common operation of the computer or common task of the computer. When you open any software in the computer, on the screen you are finding at the top of the screen menu bar existing. See here this menu bar where you can see different tabs and menus with the different options therein. Some useful operations or the options we will discuss today. Say for example, if you want to copy any text in your existing document at the different place, then what you can do is select the text and then right click with the mouse and get the option copy. As you click on the copy, the selected text will goes in the computer clipboard. Clipboard is a temporary place where selected datas are going, and you can paste them again with the paste option. When you clicking on the paste, so datas are coming from the clipboard. So when you select the text and then when you use the copy option, after that when you right click at the place where you want to paste, and then from the drop down list when you select the paste option, the selected text will be pasted at the place. See here, suppose you selecting this and pasting at the different place by selecting the paste option, you can see the results. Okay, if you want to undo this, means you don't want to paste it, so you can use undo option. Here at the top you can see undo option available, or you can use shortcut Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl key with the combination of Z, so last pasted text will be removed from the place. Okay, so in this way you can undo. Okay, if you want to move the text from the original place and you want to send it at the different place, means without making copy, if you want to send the text, you want to change the location, then what you can do, select the text, right click and get the option cut. So click on the cut. So from the original place the selected data is deleted and at the required place you paste it. So you can see the text is moved from original place to the different destination with the help of cut option. Shortcut you can utilize. For the cut shortcut, what you can do, that is Ctrl plus X. Ctrl X, select the text and use Ctrl X. Okay, and the destination where you want to paste, press the Ctrl V. So cut text you can paste at the different location. So please note down, for the copy you can use shortcut Ctrl C. Remember, control combination with the C, text will be copied. And when you want to paste at the different place from the clipboard, so you can utilize Ctrl V. With the control key combination V, you have to press Ctrl plus V. So selected text will be pasted. Ctrl X, with the combination of Ctrl and X, text will be cut from the original place, and when you use the Ctrl V, it will be pasted or it will be moved from the original place to destination, the next new destination. So Ctrl X is used to cut the text, Ctrl V is used to paste the text. Okay, so these are the shortcut, these are the certain useful operations you can utilize while you are doing practice in the computer. Thank you.